Just a small collection. Zippo. This one right here. It's a Zippo Winston. Silver plated. This one right here. Very nice. Only a small collection for now. Maybe one of these days, getting more Zippos. Really hoping for a solid gold 18K Zippo, platinum, and sterling silver 1941 brush finish. Those are the Zippo lighters that one of these days, hopefully, I can acquire. Yeah. This one is kind of old and a little worn out. But I did try my best to polish, both sides. Obviously, on the corners, kind of did not so good. This one right here is my gold-plated 18K Founders Day limited edition to 10,000 pieces, I think. Very nice, yeah.